Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Acura in Grapevine, Texas, and today we're going for a drive in the 2025 Acura Integra base model. So the Integra base model has the same powertrain as you'll find in the A-Spec and the A-Spec Tech, which you have 200 horsepower in this with a continuously variable transmission. You do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, except it is wired. And you do have a digital gauge cluster, which is really nice. You don't really find digital gauge clusters in a lot of base model vehicles, so that's pretty cool. It's very easy to use. You get great fuel economy in this car. Sport, normal, comfort, in your dynamic mode settings. Let's see if I can grab a window sticker in here. Yep, there it is. Total price on the window sticker is $34,795. You have a 200 horsepower, 1.5 liter direct injection VTEC turbo 4-cylinder engine. This one's finished in majestic black pearl with an ebony interior, and combined fuel economy is 33, 30 city, 37 highway. You have the regular Acura sound system in here. You can only get the ELS system in the A-Spec Tech and the Type S. You do have the leatherette interior. Here's your backup camera with 3 views. Center console. No wireless charging tray. You just have a little area you can put your phone there, though, where you see my phone is right now. The Integra is very popular. A lot of young buyers like to get this car. People of all ages, frankly, really like it. It's one of Acura's hot-selling vehicles. You have the crosshatch diamond pentagon grille design, frameless, chicane daytime running lights. Those are the wheels you get on the base. You get Continental tires, Pro Contact tires. Pretty nice. Here's your cargo mat, the Integra cargo mat. The fact that it's a hatchback makes it very practical. It's a great car for anyone who just wants to get into entry-level luxury vehicle and have practicality as well as great fuel economy. The fuel doors are pretty big. You have a capless fuel filling system. You can use regular fuel, but premium is recommended by the manufacturer. So yeah, this car is great for, you know, if you're a high schooler, or like if you have a high schooler and you're looking for a new car for them, it's a good car. And if you have the budget for it. But as I'm saying, I've seen people of all ages get this car and they all love it, especially the A-Spec Tech. But even but for people who don't really care about all these extra features and gadgets, the base model is more than enough, and they really enjoy it. It's a nice looking car. The base model is very subtle. There's really nothing exciting about the styling. It just blends in, and a lot of people do like that. Like, this doesn't have a spoiler or anything like that. You'll have to get an A-Spec. The A-Spec, which is the trim above this, is basically the base model. It just looks like an A-Spec Tech, but it's a base model. There's really no differences other than color choices. The interior is pretty much the same, except because you still have the leatherette, you get the suede when you get the A-Spec Tech. So basically, if you want to spend a couple extra grand and get a sportier look to your car, you should get the A-Spec. But if you want all the features, you got to get the A-Spec Tech in either a CVT or 6-speed manual or a Type S. But this base model will do the job. If you're looking for a nice, comfortable daily driver, that's an Acura. You do a blind spot alert, as you can see there. You don't have parking sensors in this one, though. Pretty good turning radius. And even though this is a CVT, Acura CVTs are definitely better than some other brands who also make CVTs. I personally am not a fan of CVTs, but to be honest, most people who buy this car don't even care about that. They really don't. Most people, all they need to know is that it's an automatic, right? Because majority of buyers, unless if you're like a car enthusiast, if you're a car enthusiast, you're probably not going to be getting the base model Integra. You're going to probably get a manual A-Spec Tech or Type S, right? But for this car, it's just probably for someone who just wants to have a nice drive and just wants an automatic daily driver, and this will do the job. But yeah, when you put your foot down, it responds. It's nice. And put it in normal mode. There's really no gimmicks. It's a simple car. No crazy color options on the base model either. It's a great car for all ages, as I'm saying. And the hatchback is a big selling point for many because of the practicality. In a small car like this, you can fit a bunch of groceries or whatever else you'd like in the back, as opposed to just having a normal trunk. I really like hatchbacks because they make your vehicle very versatile. This is foot to the floor for acceleration. So yeah, it's no speed demon, but it'll definitely help you get through traffic and your daily commute. And the base model, obviously the most aggressive leases and advertised leases you'll find on Acura's website are going to be for the base models. So if you want to have a really nice lease, you could get the Integra base and you know, go on your way. And a lot of people like the idea of driving an Acura Integra. It was smart that Acura brought back this name because a lot of people relate to it. It appeals to both the older audience and younger audience because the targeted demographic is younger people, but a lot of people who own an Acura Integra back in the day like this car too and bought it and buy it as like a daily driver because they are like, it helps, it, you know, reminds them of their old Integra. Here we are parking between two A-Spec Techs, to be specific. But yeah, overall this is a really nice car. If you're looking for a entry-level luxury vehicle, you will really enjoy the Integra. You'll enjoy the fuel economy. You'll like the Apple CarPlay connectivity. And it's pretty comfortable overall. It's an economical option. If you don't want to get the Honda Civic, but you want a more premium brand name, the Integra is for you. But that is about it. Thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Acura in the description below if you would like to shop for the 2025 Acura Integra.